Hi everyone. So this video will talk about a couple of new string methods in ES6 and we'll see how they actually work. The first method is startsWith method, which is used whenever you want to check if a string starts with certain word or not. Let's get a string first. So it will be hello world. StartsWith method returns a boolean. So we'll store the result here. And I want to check if this string starts with hello. By default, the second parameter is always 0, which is basically the index from where you want to start your search. So this h character is at 0 index and the search will start from here. Now just console log the result. Save it, and this is the output. If I'll make these index 2 here, that means I wanted to start search from here and I'll get false. So just be careful there. The next method is endsWith method. As you have already guessed, it will check if a string ends with certain word or not. So let's make a change here, make it world. The second parameter is optional, so it will basically be the length of your string. In this case it is 11 and I'll get true. If I'll make it hello and put 11, which is the actual length, I'll get false because it's not ending with hello. But if I'll make it 5, so I want this method to consider only this string hello and I'll get true in return. If I'll make it LO, I'll get true. So it is searching only in this string. The next method is includes method, and it will check if a string includes certain word or not. So let's make it world here and save it, and this is the output. It will take the index from where you want to start your search. Let's put a hello here first and see the output and delete this. So we are getting true, which is obvious. But if I'll start my search from the 7th index and the output is false because includes searching from here. If I'll make it 0, I'll get true, which is always the default case. It is always be 0 if you will not specify the index or position. The next method is repeat method, which is used to repeat a string. So if I want to repeat this string 2 times, I'll put 2 here and I'll get this output. If I'll put 1, I'll get 1 times. If I'll put 0, I'll get nothing. I hope you got the point how these string methods work in ES6. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.